Loosen and unscrew the end connector with a 19 mm open-ended spanner. Use a 20 mm Torx 3 mm Allen key with an L handle and, very important, a ball head on the long side to loosen the screws as shown. Use an extension as an aid if required. Do take the screws out just yet. The fourth screw can be taken out immediately. Remove the toothed washers. Be careful that they do not fall into the antenna. Now unscrew and remove the other screws and washers. Hold the LNB at the second last screw so that it does not fall down uncontrollably. When loosening the last screw, guide the LNB backwards and carefully remove the screw. Be aware of the sealing ring. Insert the new sealing ring provided. Insert the 4M4X12 Allen screws with new lock washers. Align the LNB flange so that the inner shapes fit together. Carefully thread the LNB onto the screw. Check that the sealing ring stays in place. Turn the screw clockwise. This pulls the LNB towards the flange. Again, use an Allen L spanner with a rounded head on the long end. Fit the remaining screws but do not tighten them yet. Leave approximately a 1 mm gap. When you come to the last screw, you can tighten it so that the LNB is now firmly fixed to the flange. Finally, tighten the last 3 screws in the order shown. Now check again that all 4 screws are tight. Either use the short end of the Allen key or the long side with an extension, so that you can get the necessary torque of approximately 5 Nm. Screw on the end connector by hand and tighten it carefully with a 19 mm open-ended spanner. Make sure that the cable end of the connector does not rotate and thus does not press on the bias box.